Hello everyone, I am Nikleshwar and this is the most discussed question which have appeared in recent RE-NEET 2026 and there is a controversy regarding this question. Actually the question is 2A gives rise to B is a zero order reaction where K equals to 1 molar inverse and minute inverse. If the initial concentration of A is 2 molar, then the time taken to complete 75% of the reaction will be, and the options were given as follow. And here they have given the units of K as molar minute inverse. That means it states that it is zero order reaction, and already it have mentioned that zero order reaction. And according to the process, they have given initial concentration. Let us take it as R0. They have given it as 2 molar, and they have mentioned that the 75% of the reaction is completed. That means the remaining concentration would be 2 minus 75% of 2 2 minus 1.5 is equals to 0.5. And according to the NCERT, we have mentioned process, and there is a PYQ question also regarding this. According to that, K equals to R0 minus R divided by T is equals to 2 minus 0.5 divided by T, and they have given the K value as 1. Hence the time would be, we would getting as 1.5 minutes. Actually, by seeing this question, I have thought they have given the stoichiometric coefficient, but actually according to the NCERT and the previous JEE mains question, it should not be considered. The answer given by NTA is 0.75 minutes, and the answer opted by many of us is 1.5 minutes. Actually, it is also definitely true because we have followed the NCERT. 1.5 minutes answer should also be given. As a NEET aspirant, it is very painful for me to appear for RE-NEET, and I was getting 644 marks. If I get this 5 more marks, it would help me to get into a better AIMS college. So I was requesting NTA to give both 2 and 3 as the answers, and it would help me a lot. And how many of you are supporting me? If you support me, please mention it in the comments box. And how many of you think that NTA should give this key change as 2 and 3? Please mention it in the comment box. Thank you.